And the corpus cavernosa, of course, is the rest of it that's around the sides of the shaft and everything. But both of them will fill with blood, but this one actually keeps the urethra.
Yeah.
And then an oocyte sitting inside a follicle. Sometimes I put this one on here, sometimes I don't. Well, the two zones down inside the endometrium. Did y'all go over the basilar zone and the functional zone?
Oh.
Yeah.
So basically what you're looking at there, of course, this is when your menses is happening. So there is no functional zone there. It is sloughed off. And if you look as we start to go through the other phases, you can see my functional zone beginning to develop again. And once, as we go through this whole process, of course, this will develop as the female is going to get pregnant. If she doesn't get pregnant, then the progesterone levels drop. When they do, that of course will cause the menses to occur, and then we start all over again. And then there's the secretory phase. You can see all those, the uterine glands and all those cells. There might be one of those on there to tell the difference. And a lactating breast and a non-lactating breast usually on there as well. Did y'all look at that one? No, you didn't? Okay. Well, we have to take some things into consideration. I'm not sure what you covered and not covered. He's not going to be here to protect you, so he'll probably protect you when he knows over. He'll know what he wants you to know and don't want you to know. All right. The important thing is it's 6 o'clock in here again. Okay. Lori's going to actually run it for you on Wednesday. She's one of our teachers here. She also runs the anatomy lab, basically. Shouldn't take you more than an hour. Okay.
50 questions?
It'd be 50 questions. There's actually 24 stations, and then you have definitions. You explained all that, right? I don't know, he may not do definitions. I don't know how he's going to do it.
Okay.
The way I do it, I have 44 basically stations. Some are A and B, some are just one answer. But the A and B are going to be like, what's the name of it? What's it do?
Yeah.
That's how I do that. And then there's 6 definitions. Yes, 6 definitions. You get to choose from 8 of them. Okay, and then that makes it the 50 questions on the test.
Okay.
And it'll be definitions like we just talked about, maybe like like Addison's disease. You talked about Addison's disease, right? Or you didn't? Probably not. He may not cover any. He may not cover any pathology. I put a little bit of pathophysiology in my lectures, so sometimes I include that. So I'll try to work around that the best I can. And y'all be honest with me, and we'll make sure we pick some words covered. I might ask melatonin. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, something like that. But it'll be those kind of things that you covered, and then you have to define them.
Do we need to bring our own piece of notebook?
I've got all the stuff you need. You need something to write with and a brain that works. Let's see how well it's working today. Don't you tell them to give it away, she said. All right, these 2 Aggie graduates.